to make a 4th of July treat. We're going to make a red, white, and blue milkshake. So we're going to take our glass, we're going to decorate the glass first. You're going to open up your corn syrup and just put it around the glass like this. Take your sprinkles, red, white, and blue. You're just going to kind of make sure they get on the side of the glass here. So to make the milkshake, we're going to take our ice cream and milk. It's usually 2 parts ice cream to 1 part milk. And now we're going to make our red and blue milkshake. So it's just a little bit of food coloring. Don't go crazy. Do the same thing with the red. Let's put it all together. So I like to add a couple strawberries and blueberries to the bottom.